Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. So I have the step-by-step guide here. So step one is select your data range or select your data, go to data tab on the ribbon, click remove duplicates in the data tools group, and in the pop-up window choose which columns to check, and Excel will move duplicates and show you how many were removed. So I'm gonna follow this step. So I'm gonna go into Excel that I have here, and I've got names that have, I got data here that has duplicates. So I'm gonna select the data or range and go to data and select remove duplicates. So it says to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. And I'm checking my data has headers because my data has headers. And column name is name. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. So it says 3 duplicate values found and removed, 5 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. So we need to make sure that the values don't have spaces or something like that, because Excel might see them as unique values. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So out of 8 names, we have 5 unique names. So this is a single column. So let me show you a scenario where you have multiple columns. So we're going to follow the same steps. So select the data, go to data, and then go to remove duplicates. And then it says, so same pop-up window. So to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So I'm selecting my data as headers because my data has headers or column names. And then you can actually unselect the columns, but I'm going to select all of them here. And I'm going to click OK. So it says 3 duplicate values found and removed, 5 unique values remain. So same pop-up window, pop-up window. So out of 8 values or names, there's 3 duplicate values found and removed. So now we have 5. Let me just show you the message. So we now have 5 unique values remain. We now have 5 unique values. And again, we need to make sure that the values here don't have spaces and we don't have cells that are empty. Okay, so yeah, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.